Hamilton races. Every year on the Glesga Fair, the select, the lads, the few, all head through to Hamilton races to meet up for a brew. No for tea and coffee, it's a fucking bevy sesh. Some canny hawnel swally, Mibbe Tetley Tea'd be best. We used to slum it with the plebs and queue for beer and a pish, but now we've upgraded to a boax, it's a bevy merchant's wish. A perfect view of the racin, get fed and a lassie serves booze, out in the balcony when the weather hauds off, and no too far for the loos. We wouldn't have it any other way, though the grub isnae top notch. No like the Indians we used to go to, that'd be the only swap. Faces past and present, it's a great day out with the boys. A crackin laugh is heard by all, there's always plenty of noise. Especially the year the cat lost his teeth when he was cheering for his horse. He got far too excited, and out they flew onto the concourse. My teeth, we heard them shout as he ran down the stair. Where are they? Can you see them? They were stuck in some bird's hair. Every year so many stories mays just get forgotten. Something fucking guaranteed though, Billy's arse is aeways rotten. Hamilton races.